This is a beautiful bike. Oh, but it's $5,500? Nope. Can't do that. I need to think of an alternative. So I can convert my mountain bike to be a roadworthy cycle for under $500? Yeah, I'll place my order. Ching. Is it possible to convert your mountain bike to a roadworthy cycle for under $500? Yep, here you go. So originally I wanted a 2025 Giant Propel Advanced 1, but that bike's like well over my budget. It's like $5,500 plus tax and shipping. So I was just thinking, might as well convert my mountain bike to be roadworthy. And in this episode, I will show you how I did that for under $500. But if you guys can subscribe and watch this video till the end, that'll help the channel. And hopefully, eventually, I'll be able to afford that road bike that I want. It's like a dream bike to me. It's such a beautiful bike, especially in that white with blue pearl. Oh, it's to die for. But in the meantime, I will be happy with this. I ride it for the trails, but right now I think I will be happier using this for the road and my e-bike for the mountain trails. So yeah, enjoy. Woo! So the first thing I'm gonna do right now is get the disc on there and tires and or the tubes and tires, and then figure out whether I want to remove these stickers or not. I do like the clean look. The finish is pretty nice if for being only like $150 or $180, I think it was. Pretty inexpensive. The build quality looks pretty good. So I think I like the clean look. I don't want the stickers showing on this set. So yeah, I guess I'll figure that out once I have the tire and everything on there. I could easily peel these off. They feel easy to peel off. While you guys are watching this video, if you guys have any tips on, when you're seeing what I'm doing. I know there was another episode where I was using the chain whip incorrectly, and a lot of you had to chime in and let me know. Thank you, I appreciate those, especially constructive criticism, because then it makes me a better bike tech, in a sense, so I can teach you guys, whoever is watching, how to do things correctly. I don't want to teach things incorrectly, but I'm just trying to figure it out, because I like to do that. I'll list all the parts on this episode in case you guys are interested in buying something like this. But let me show you the quality. This is the reason why I went with it. It is awesome looking. This kind of looks like the Hope rotors that I had on my my carbon fiber Intense. It's thick. Rotor looks good, and it's like it's a little heavy, but I'm not worried about that. I'm just in it for the workout. So I don't care about the lightest. It's a 180 right here, floating disc. Looks awesome. Looks totally awesome. If you guys are into cars and know about lug nut tightening patterns, you always want to go, let me show you. You always want to go like in a star pattern. Like if I start with here, I'm gonna go to here, then I'm gonna switch over to here, 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 until I'm done. You don't want to tighten it like this. You're going to want to jump over, so that way it fastens down evenly. Another tip, just what I do on cars, so I figured the same concept would apply here. Now I'm going to torque it down to what they call for 55 inch pounds. 55 inch pounds. Get your torque wrench here. There you go. All right, front is done. Look at that, looks good. Exciting. All right, so same thing for the rear, but the rear will involve this cassette here. And just so you guys are aware, I didn't go with Shimano cassette. I went with something cheap, made in China. It got good reviews, and that's what sold me on this. So we'll see, you know. I don't imagine it's a fail on me, but you know, we'll see. It's only meant for road, not for the mountain. For me, for the purpose of using it, I just wanted to get whatever was cheap, just so I can ride on the road and get a good workout and save the mountain rides when I have when I have Alvin, and we can have some fun on the trails. A cool thing about this hub, I heard it. That's loud. Sounds very tinny, but I love loud hubs. It just sounds awesome to me. Time to torque it. It's my favorite part. I love hearing the torque clicking when something's perfectly in spec. Oh yeah. All right. Woo! Awesome. Woo! All right. As you can see, the tires are on there. I had a scare earlier. The rear, with it fully pumped, it was very hard. I thought it wasn't gonna line up with the hub space, like the hub and the front here. Here, let me show you what I mean. The clearance there is pretty close. When I was trying to fit the rear rim onto the bike, it was hitting there, and I thought, man, I gotta return everything. This is not gonna work out, but it's on there, it's not hitting, and listen to that hub. Gotta love it. Sounds good. It's obviously not rubbing. This tire is like awesome. I love the reflection here for if I ever ride at night. I'm so excited that everything fits. The bike looks awesome to me. Under 500 bucks, it's a bargain. I'm sure you can get it even cheaper if you like source out rims somewhere else for like used or whatnot, but I just didn't want to bother with it. Easier for me to just buy brand new. There are like Facebook Marketplace, you can find them, but it's just so far and I didn't have time to pick them up, so I just bought brand new BUCKLOS. The rims look decent. I think I'll leave the stickers on for now. Just gonna ride around my neighborhood in Simi Valley and see how it is. And then after that, I'm gonna ride from my house maybe to Alvin's or maybe to my parents' house and just see how it is. And I'm excited to try it out, because if this saves me from buying a road bike, an expensive road bike, then I'm all for it. I could just swap the rims, go on a mountain trail ride, or get my e-bike and ride with Alvin wherever we want to go. And whenever I feel like, oh, I just want to exercise but I don't want to go on the trails, hop on this bike, swap the rims, and then boom, ready to go. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Thank you for, watching and hanging out with me while I modified my bike. If you guys want to do this too and you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. And yeah, feel free to say what's up. Tell me if you guys also did the same thing. I think this is a great option for those who have only a mountain bike and want to ride on the road as well and don't want to chew up your mountain tires on the road. This is a great option. Just buy rims, everything that's necessary, the rotor, the cassette, and tires. Cool, under 500. It's a bargain. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out. See you next time. Woo!